Looking to take your home workshop to the next level? Today, we're diving into the best drill presses that combine precision, power, and value for every DIY enthusiast. Whether you're tackling woodworking, metalworking, or just need a reliable tool for small projects, we've got the top picks that won't break the bank. Check out the links to all these drill presses in the description below. Let's jump in. Achieve precise drilling with a compact yet powerful machine, ideal for woodworking, metal, and plastic projects. The WEN 2.3 amp benchtop drill press features a robust 2.3 amp induction motor with ball bearings that deliver smooth, balanced performance even at high speeds. With 5 adjustable speeds ranging from 750 to 3,200 RPM, users can manually select the optimal speed via the dual spindle belt system. Its 8-inch swing and 2-inch spindle travel ensure versatility for various projects, while the 6.5 by 6.5-inch height adjustable work table tilts up to 45 degrees in either direction for angled drilling. The 1/2-inch keyed chuck with JT33 spindle taper accommodates a wide range of drill bits, and onboard key storage ensures convenience. Measuring 23 inches tall with a 7 by 11-inch base, this drill press offers both stability and compact design suitable for home shops. Customers praise its accuracy, ease of assembly, and ability to drill through tougher materials like 1/4-inch steel plate. Backed by a 2-year warranty, it provides reliable performance and long-lasting usability. Tackle demanding projects with a variable speed machine designed for precision and power. The Jet 12-inch benchtop drill press boasts a 1/2 horsepower induction motor capable of powering through wood, metal, and other materials. Its 16-speed variable system, ranging from 530 to 3,100 RPM, allows for fine control depending on the task. The 10-inch by 16 and 1/8-inch cast iron base ensures stability on limited space workbenches, while oversized ergonomic knobs and retractable roller extensions provide ease of use and enhanced workpiece support. Equipped with an innovative X-shaped X-Acta laser, the drill press ensures perfect alignment and consistent drilling accuracy. The LED work light increases visibility for intricate projects, and a clear linear scale with depth stop enables repeatable, precise cuts. Customers appreciate its overall power, versatility, and assembly ease, though some report minor issues with shaft flex and build solidity. Ideal for home workshops or professional setups, this drill press combines functionality, accuracy, and durability for a wide range of drilling applications. Precision meets versatility with a benchtop machine designed for small to medium-scale projects. The GARVEETECH 8-inch benchtop drill press features a 2.5 amp induction motor and offers 5 variable speeds from 620 to 3,100 RPM, providing control over drilling through wood, metal, and plastics. Its 8-inch swing and 1/2-inch chuck accommodate standard bits, while a height-adjustable 0 to 45-degree tilting work table ensures flexible positioning for angled drilling. An integrated LED work light illuminates the work area, and the included X-ray positioning system helps locate drilling spots with accuracy. Built with a sturdy metal frame, the drill press offers reliable stability during operations. Customers note the compact design is ideal for workshops with limited space, while praising its precise drilling capabilities and smooth operation. Some highlight the variable speed adjustment as slightly tricky but manageable once accustomed. Overall, this drill press is a practical, reliable choice for hobbyists, DIYers, and professionals requiring accurate, controlled drilling in a small footprint setup. Compact tools can deliver surprising power and precision for hobbyist or craft work. The NOVELLIFE Mini Drill Press offers a 795 DC motor with a maximum speed of 7,000 RPM and adjustable 24-volt power supply, providing excellent control for delicate tasks. Its solid metal structure with 3 axes and 2 linear bearings reduces vibration for accurate drilling. Measuring 5.9 by 4.7 by 8.7 inches, it saves space without compromising performance, offering a 40mm maximum drilling stroke. A B10 drill chuck supports 0.6 to 6mm HSS bits, ideal for wood, plastic, resin, and aluminum. The machine's add-on expansion slots allow installation of a mini bench vise or CNC sliding table, enhancing versatility for various projects. Customers find it extremely capable for small-scale DIY projects, jewelry making, and detailed woodworking. The low-noise operation and included HSS bit set further improve usability. While minor adjustments may require patience, users value its precision, build quality, and compact form for tabletop workspaces. small yet multifunctional, this workstation is designed for creative precision tasks. The DREMEL drill press stand holds rotary tools securely, allowing drilling at 15-degree increments up to 90 degrees horizontal. Its integrated flex shaft holder enables telescopic height adjustments between 16 and 29 inches, while depth stop markings ensure consistent drilling depths. The sturdy metal base features 4 clamping points and inch/metric measurements for accurate positioning. The workstation also doubles as a rotary tool holder, ideal for polishing, sanding, or grinding applications. Cord management clips and onboard accessory storage improve organization and safety. Compatible with a wide range of DREMEL rotary tools, this machine suits small crafts, hobby projects, and precision work. Customers appreciate its multifunctionality, stability, and value for money. Though some node assembly can be slightly challenging and stability varies depending on the workpiece. Overall, it provides reliable support for detailed operations in a compact, portable setup that enhances both efficiency and accuracy in craft and repair projects. Delivering precision drilling in a compact form, this mini drill press is engineered for hobbyists and small projects. The BERXOL mini drill press features a solid metal frame with 3 metal axes, dual springs, and 2 linear bearings to ensure stability and accuracy. Its 795 DC motor reaches up to 7,000 RPM with an adjustable 24-volt power supply, allowing precise speed control for diverse materials, including wood, plastic, aluminum, and resin. The 5.9 by 4.7 by 8.7 inch footprint accommodates small workspaces, while dual expansion slots enable attachment of a mini bench vise or CNC sliding table. A B10 drill chuck supports 0.6 to 6 mm bits, and the machine's multifunctionality allows for polishing, grinding, and detailed drilling operations. Customers praise its robust build, accuracy, and small size, ideal for jewelry, toy models, and intricate craft projects. The low-noise operation and versatile setup enhance usability, making it a reliable and compact tool for precise, professional-quality results in a home or small workshop environment. Precision and high-speed performance are combined in a versatile mini-machine for DIY and hobby projects. The VGJ mini drill press is equipped with a 200-watt motor capable of achieving up to 8,000 RPM, allowing drilling in wood, aluminum, metal, plastics, and more. Its compact dimensions, 8.5 by 7 by 5.1 inches, make it ideal for desktop use, while a sturdy metal construction ensures durability and stability. The drill press comes with a flexible shaft for rotary tools, expanding its functionality to polishing, grinding, and detailed craft work. Adjustable components, including a spring-loaded height adjustment mechanism, allow precise control over drilling depth. Users appreciate its accuracy, quiet operation, and suitability for small-scale DIY projects such as jewelry making, model creation, and hobbyist tasks. While some minor adjustments may require careful handling, the machine is highly praised for its versatility, build quality, and ability to perform fine, intricate drilling with consistent results, making it a compact yet powerful addition to any workspace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description below for links to these top drill presses.